Fox Business Alert. Now President Trump is apparently speaking to some reporters outside the World Economic Forum, and he is giving more detail on what's going on with this so-called framework, which he said he discussed, and he said it will be infinite, no time limit on how long a deal would last regarding Greenland. He said that the framework of the deal will be, quote, really fantastic for the United States and gets everything we wanted, especially real national security and international security. We're waiting to hear real specifics on whether that includes an actual sale. It doesn't appear to, from what we heard from the NATO spokesperson, but as we get these pieces of information, we will pass them right to you. As you can see, the market is responding positively, and overall, it's been a whiplash start to the new year, but ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood joins us once again. She's got her eyes on several sectors that will push the markets higher, she believes. Let's bring her back in. Cathie, you just came out with your big ideas 2026. You highlighted a, quote, great acceleration that we are entering right now. What sectors and names will benefit from this great acceleration?
Well, I think the most important thing, and I have to credit our team, Brett Winton, all of our directors, research analysts. I am standing on their shoulders because we're doing the deep research that is helping us understand that how early we are in the AI cycle, hardware, software, and so forth. And just by saying that, you've seen how software stocks generally have underperformed badly. And that is because many software names are not going to be on the right side of change. With AI, the world is changing. And as we always say to our investors and our education foundation, we want to get people on the right side of change. So we think every sector can benefit, but it is really important to harness the tools associated with the 5 major innovation platforms that are evolving at the same time. So AI, robotics, energy storage, blockchain technology, and multi-omic sequencing in the life science space.
Let me just jump in. Let me jump in because I'm dying to hear your thought on Bitcoin. You've got a pure play Bitcoin fund.
Sure.
And I'm just interested to know, because we're off the 126,000 high level, you're still in it to win it?
We are in it to win it, absolutely. So ARKB, right, is our spot Bitcoin ETF. As we assess the ecosystem right now, what we've undergone in the last 2 to 3 months are the reverberations after 10/10. So 10/10, October 10th, was what in the crypto world, I'm not sure if it's mentioned this more broadly, is the flash crash associated with a software glitch on Binance that deleveraged the system, and to the tune of $28 billion. There are a lot of people hurt. And we think that unwind, and often when you go through an unwind, Bitcoin's going to be hit the hardest because it's the most liquid crypto asset. We think that unwind is pretty much behind us. So now the only thing I think investors are worried about, especially institutional investors who understand that they must examine this as a new asset class, the leader in a new asset class, very low correlation with other asset classes. And so they're looking at what's called the 4-year cycle. And we have been down. And the question is the 4-year cycle, the downside of it, over?
Right.
We think it's pretty much pushed through. Maybe we flatten out here in the 80 to 90,000 range, base here for a while, but we think we'll be on our way soon.
Cathie Wood, wonderful to have you on any day, but this day in particular, we thank you.